Resource Ethics Board Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS na Sinduna Orientation and Sensitization Program ama PANGTHOKKHRE. Ethical Resource Practice haiba hiramda RIMS ki Shushruta Hall da pangthokiba thoramaduda Professor S. Jibon Kumar Singh, Dean School of Human and Environmental Science, Manipur University, Professor N. Sanjip Singh, Medical Superintendent RIMS Hospital, Professor A.K. Joy Singh, Dean School of Medical Science, Manipur University, Dr. Santibula Konjambam, Professor and Head Department of Community Medicine, RIMS, Amadi, Professor L. Rajesh Singh, Dean Academics, na athoiba mithunen oina saruyaki. Thawanga mari lenana Professor N. Sanjip na fongdokibada RIMS asi North State singi oina yamna mangjin thana analayang lamda changsilapada natana mahiroi sing dasu medical science ningthina takpi tanbiri leiriba RIMS ki research ethics boards asina miyamda achumba asengba khaktamak putoktuna uli haina fongdokhi.
We all know that RIMS has a proud legacy of being one of the premier medical institutions in the Northeast. Our main job is to give healthcare to the people and to teach medical science to our students. But I would say that we should not limit to this. Our job to the society should be to bring out more knowledge, but how knowledge is created, that is by credible research. So that is what I would like to say. The knowledge should be credible, responsible, and it should be socially relevant. Any research which comes out from RIMS should have has the stamp of RIMS, and it's our job of this research ethics board and the members that it should be trustworthy, it should be important, it should be credible. And if our research ethics board is not strong, the researches which are not properly conducted without proper ethical clearance or without going through a rigorous check, then it may erode the public's or people's credibility. So that is which I would like to say. When people talk of submission to research ethics board, most of the students or most of the researchers are afraid of the regulatory problems we face. But that is not what we should feel. We should know that these research ethics board going through the clearance, it is respect to human dignity, a commitment to truth, and we are going to serve the society by the results we bring out from there. I would like to especially thank two of the pioneers in RIMS, Dr. A.K. Joy and Professor Brogan. They too have been really giving their time in all research activities, and from approving the theses, from approving dissertations. I think a lot of credit goes to both of them. I'm really happy that the department the board has again brought out an SOP. This will make things much lighter. If you go through the RIMS website, we have how to there's the REB pages there where you will get a few of these pages. I think it is so when everything comes up there, then the people will have much more idea of what are the standard or operating procedures. I'd like to thank Professor Koizam Joy, Member Secretary, who has brought out these of last year. Professor Lokesor, which has reviewed, and anyway our director, which has been the main patron for the society and has been approved by him. So a big round of applause for producing these